Hello, and today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini jet USAF Air Force One Boeing VC-25B in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes in a packaged presentation box. It's very nice. Got an image of the plane inside, identical to the one you'll find inside. Got Boeing VC-25B, the model of the plane. Of course, as it is Air Force One, the United States of America, and the presidential seal, as this is the president's plane. On the back we have another image of the plane here and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we can open up the lid and you can see the plane inside without having to open it. So you can have it on display like this if you so choose. Then on the lid we have some information about the plane, such as specifications such as length, height, wingspan, range, cruising speed, and then also some history about the Boeing VC-25B. Now anyway, let's open up this box and have a look at the model itself, the wonderful Air Force One. Pop it open. See, there it is, nicely packaged in its plastic. Pop this open. There's a plastic sheet and just gently remove it from its plastic case. And here you have it, the Boeing VC-25B, otherwise known as the 747 8i, which is a military version of the 747. Let's look at all of its wonderful detail. It says United States of America. It's got the classic Air Force One livery with the luminous ultramarine blue, which is its official name for the color, featured on all Air Force Ones. So you've got a little US States logo here, got an United States flag here, the registration of 30,000. Now let's look at some of the lovely details on here. So as you can see on top, lots of little antenna bits. You want to be careful with not to be too rough with them. Looking at the wings, the flaps, the islands, got a little symbol here, a nice pointed wingtip. See the jet engines. Look at the landing gear. Again, we've got a nice little seal. Get into focus. Nice little seal here. We can look at the cockpit. We can look at the tail. And then here we've got the stabilizers. So the nice, the elevators and the rudders on the stabilizers. Of course, look under the wing, we've got another USAF for United States Air Force, obviously. Turning the plane around to look at the other side. Again, just more of the same classic detail. Just all very, very nice. Now this plane is actually yet to fly. This version of Air Force One has not flew. This is the VC-25B. Currently the VC-25As are being replaced with this, but due to delays this plane has not flew yet. But this is what the plane will look like, and in all of its wonderful, lovely detail. It's about 19 centimeters long and has a wingspan of about 17.1 centimeters long. So by Gemini gets 1/400 standard, this is a very large plane, making it on the scale of some 1 to 200 Gemini jets. So that is that, and it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.